Okay, let's have a look at the Extrude Inner tool. This tool operates in a similar way to the Extrude tool. However, in contrast to the Extrude, the selected polygons are extruded inwards or optionally outwards. Now let's see what that means. We drop a cube in the scene, make it editable, frame it with O on the keyboard, and we come over here, select the polygon tool, and select this polygon. We right-click, we can grab our Extrude Inner. Now I'm going to just drag to the right. You can see it extrudes outwards. If I drag to the left, it extrudes inwards. You could come over here, take this, select that polygon now, delete that. It's the sort of effect you'd get. Another way that you could use that, let's say that I was going to create a window pane. Click the plane, change the orientation to +Z. Let's take the width and height segments down to 3 and 3, or something like that. Let's make it editable. Let's pull up our Extrude Inner tool. Let's take a look over here at our tool properties. A lot of these are very similar to the Extrude tool. So right now, if we left click and drag to the right, we're going to be extruding outward. We go to the left, we're extruding inwards. But right now, we're extruding this one whole piece inwards, which is not what we want. We want to actually create something that resembles windows here. So we would uncheck the Preserve Groups and click inwards to the left. Then we can create something that looks a little more like windows. So then we could come over here, click Delete on the keyboard, and then we have something that is looking like the intended result. From this point, you could come select the plane, grab your Extrude tool, take the subdivisions down to 0, and extrude. Now we have a piece of geometry that looks like it could be a window pane. Okay, so the Extrude Inner tool is another one of the tools that you'll be using on a regular basis while you're modeling.